People, I can't believe I'm saying this, but everything is officially now for sale. This was actually the last video I actually did on the Volkswagen Scirocco. So I did a quick photo shoot with it and the BMW. The BMW is also going to be up for sale as well, people. The massive project is coming up in my life, so everything is now for sale. I've actually started a small little dealership now that I've bought around 10 cars. The Scirocco is such a beautiful car, honestly, and it's an amazing car. I've done everything to it, and in order for me to get it up to the standard of how it looks, how it sounds and how it drives, there's a lot of work that needs to be done that the previous owner let me know about. So first of all, we have a massive oil leak, and that oil leak was coming straight from the crankshaft seal. So the seal was basically oil was seeping right through the seal, so the crankshaft needs to be resealed, and also the oil sumper as well needs to be done. So that got removed from the car, crankshaft got removed from the car, and the whole gasket was replaced. Also, the car was also serviced as well with new oil. That set me back £600. You should know me by now. Well, those who are the OG subscribers will know me that I don't cheap out when it comes to spending money on cars. I like to have the best of the best, and when I come to sell them, people know that they've got the best of the best. So yeah, moving on to the next thing. We also had the P0221 light, and that related to an air leak in the car. That's why the engine management light kept coming back on, and the EPC light as well, and that related to that basically. So I basically removed the old stock air box, the whole induction kit from the car, and installed a brand new Ram Air complete induction kit. That not only improved the performance, the sound, and also the reliability of the car. Now, upon completing the install, I noticed the oil separator breather hose actually cracked. Now, this was actually cracked just before I actually did all of this, so this is also another reason why what could have tripped up that light as well. So I had to replace that with a brand new part, and everything was good as gold. So the next, I had to reset the light. Shout out to Carly, sponsored this video and sponsor a lot of my videos. Honestly, those guys, go check them out, guys. Their device is so helpful. It's a must-have for all of your cars. So I plugged that up, click clear codes, and now voila, no more lights on the dashboard. And now let's give it a sound test. I then took the car for a nice test drive just to make sure everything's all good, and those lights never came back on the dash again. So the problem was completely solved. And now finally, to now do the paint work, which is now to give the car a nice, beautiful polish. So let's get on with that. And here are the final results. Starting off with the Audi RS7 Matrix headlights. It is then complemented with sequential LED indicators. I also did a red pinstripe with the GTI style inspiration. Also now has Scirocco R style LED tail lights that look absolutely incredible. Smoked, that blends in with the colour of the car. The car also has a dual exhaust setup with the oval shaped tips, and I also fit the reverse camera on that too. The car has also been upgraded with 18-inch BOLA alloy wheels. The side mirrors have also been set off with carbon fibre cover styles with the red GTI style inspiration in the striping. Also, just to add, the side mirrors have an LED sequential styling, and just take a peek of that interior, how beautiful this LED symphony lighting is. Look, the car is also sitting on AP Coilovers, which gives it such a great sporty stance. Just look how it sits on those 18-inch BOLA wheels. Looks incredible. Now these are what we call Symphony LED ambient lights. They can change color with a button which I installed, and also I did the digital dashboard as well and painted those handles in red, which gives the car a black and red feel. Got the DSG Auto gearbox and also carbon fiber surround around the gearbox as well, giving the car a more sporty look. And yes, there's the button I'm talking about, which I wired up, which you could change so many variations of colors, patterns, designs, and you can also control it through your mobile phone as well, which is just incredible. It makes the car feel like a complete vibe just to drive around in. Also wired up reverse camera as well, so once you put it in reverse, it shows the back screen and what's going on. It's also loaded with AC, heated seats, dual zone climate control as well, and a massive touchscreen with Apple CarPlay loaded into it. Guys, this is the reason I chose this car specifically when I saw it. Look at this. Look at the amount of paperwork there is. Oh my days. Kai. So much paperwork. So much paperwork. So much paperwork. So much paperwork, people, for just all the work that's been done on this car from the past. It is just absolutely ridiculous, you know, just so much. So yes, people, that's the reason why I was like, this car was a car to choose. It's got so much service history, tons and tons of service. There's even more at home as well, yeah, and then there's some in here as well. But people, it's just full, it's full of service history. So yes, that's the reason why I saw this car and chose it, because it's just he spent a lot of money to maintain it. Bodywork, obviously you guys have seen that I can do that already. Engine work, that's more of something I outsource to specialists, and which obviously will cost me more. So it just worked out that it just became a really good deal for me. So yeah. People, we've now reached the end of the video. Hit that like and subscribe if you have not already. Cars are flying out the door, people, so make sure you pre-order a car. Just check the link on the cars I have available if you need one, upgraded to your spec, drop me a message on my website www.carlisonit.co.uk. hit me up with a message, tell me exactly what you're looking for, and we can get something worked out. If you need it customized, need it upgraded, ONIT Autos people have got you covered, and as always, don't go anywhere. Peace.